Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again. Because the vision's oblique creeping. Lived since while I was sleeping. In the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Waiting the sound of silence and restless dreams that walk along. Now restricts the cobblestone. Lit the yellow of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the golden dam. When my eyes were stopped by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touch the sound of silence. And on the naked night I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one did disrupt the sound of silence. Voices that you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. If my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like a silent raindrops fell. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And echo in the wells of silence. Yo, man. When the people bowed in praise, I to the neon God they made. In the sun flash out that is warning, and the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement poles, and whisper in the sound of silence. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again. Because the vision's oblique creeping. Lived since while I was sleeping. In the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Waiting the sound of silence and restless dreams that walk along. Now restricts the cobblestone. Lit the yellow of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the golden dam. When my eyes were stopped by the flash of a neon light, split the night and touch the sound of silence. And on the naked night I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs voices never share. No one there. This took the sound of silence. For see now you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. If my words that I might get you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like a silent raindrops fills. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And echo in the wells of silence. Yo, man. I want the people bound in pray. I do the neon God they made. In the sun flash out that is warning. Yeah.